Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your Outlook folder onto a disk. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and folders, giving you access to everything you need to export. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to move forward with the transfer process. Now, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a File tab there. Go ahead and click on it to open the File menu. This is where Outlook keeps all its important data management options, including the export feature you'll need. Once the File menu opens, look for an option labeled Open and Export and click on it. This will expand to show you additional choices. From this expanded menu, click on Import/Export. This action will launch the Import and Export Wizard window, which is the tool that handles all data transfers in and out of Outlook. In the wizard that appears, you'll see several options for what you want to do. Look for the option that says Export to a file and click on it to select it. Once you've selected this, click the Next button to continue. Now you'll be prompted to choose what type of file you want to create. Select Outlook Data File from the list, as this is the proper format for transferring your Outlook data, and then click Next again. At this stage, you'll need to select which account you want to transfer. Choose the entire account you wish to export, making sure everything you need is included. After selecting your account, click Next to move forward. Now comes an important step where you'll decide where to save your exported file. Click the Browse button, and this will open a File Explorer window. Navigate through your folders and select the directory where you want to save this file. You can also change the file name here if you'd like something more specific than the default name. Once you've chosen your location and set your file name, click OK to confirm your selection. After confirming your file location, click the Finish button. Outlook will now begin creating your data file and saving it to the directory you specified. This might take a moment depending on how much data you're exporting, so be patient while the process completes. Once the file has been created, navigate to the directory where you saved it using your File Explorer. Locate the Outlook data file you just created, and now you can simply copy and paste it onto your disk. This transfers all your Outlook folder data to an external location where you can back it up or move it to another computer. And that's it! You've successfully transferred your Outlook folder onto a disk, creating a backup of your important emails and data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.